What's going on, folks? My new DeWalt 735X planer came in this morning. It showed up about 7:30 this morning, so I'm going to give you guys an unboxing and assembly video. I got this on Amazon for $4.99 when it was on sale. I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but I'll leave a link down in the video description so you guys can check it out and see if it is. This box is huge. This thing weighs over 100 pounds, which is crazy. In the top of the box, you have the in-feed and out-feed tables. I was really surprised with the finish. They're very, very smooth, so I think gliding the wood in and out of the machine is going to be really, really easy. Then you have the extra blades, which I understand are pretty expensive, so I'm glad they included an extra set. You have the instruction manual and then the adjustment wheel for the planer itself, and then the little dust port connection. Underneath the styrofoam is the actual machine itself, all wrapped in plastic. Like I said, this thing was really heavy, so I decided to go ahead and just cut the side of the box and then just slide it off my workbench, and I have it on this little temporary stand. They include a tool with the machine that allows you to attach the little knob for the thickness, and the tool stays with the machine, which I thought was really cool. And then the dust port just has this little push mechanism on the side with a little metal pin, so you can push that in and connect it. And then on the other side, it has a plastic pin, so I hope that doesn't break. The little side tables are really easy. They just have little pins as well. You press in and they attach, so they're easily removable and very, very sturdy. And they do flip up, but it does hit the dust collection port. So that's the machine itself. I was super eager to use it, so I decided to go ahead and grab a piece of 2x8 that I had laying in the shop and just give it a try. This specific piece that I was using did have a cup to it, so I thought it'd be interesting to try to run it through and see if I could get rid of the cup. The first couple passes I did were very, very light. I just wanted to see what the machine adjustments felt like and to see what I was actually pulling off the board. So when I pull it out here, you can see that I just barely grazed the top. You can see a little bit of different in the look there on the board. So I just grazed the top of the cup. You can see on the back there, that's what it looks like when it's feeding through. This really feels like a high quality machine, and the rollers seem very, very strong. See, I took a little bit more off there. And in the next one, I started to give it a little bit more juice. You can hear the machine kind of bog down a little bit. And it took a really, really nice chunk off the top. So it'll be interesting to use this. I need to get a sled for this machine, and I plan to build one so that I can get these boards nice and smooth and add shims to reinforce them so the rollers don't roll them flat. But as you can see, that's the regular 2x6, and then this is the one that's ran through the planer. A huge difference in the texture of the boards, and it feels really, really smooth. So I'm super excited. I have some different butcher block builds that I have planned and stuff like that. So I'm excited to use this planer and really put it through its paces and see what it's all about. I did notice that it does have some snipes, so I'm gonna have to work on that as well to try to reduce that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, links to this machine will be down in the video description. Amazon does have deals quite a bit on this machine, and that's where I found the best deal. I got it for $4.99. So be sure to check that out, and I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed.